In this video, we will break down the threading process. You will learn how to wind and insert the bobbin, thread the upper thread and raise the bobbin thread, and of course, how to connect the machine to a power source and how to avoid injury. In this 5-minute video, I will use a Singer electric sewing machine, but most other sewing machines would use a similar process. Let's get started. The power cord has 2 wires. One wire has a plug and connects the machine to a power source. The other wire is connected to the foot control pedal, which regulates the sewing speed. Both wires plug into the machine. To start sewing, move the main switch into the I position, then push the foot pedal. Remember, always unplug the power cord when the machine is not in use. First, place the thread onto the spool pin. Lock it with the spool holder. Snap the thread into the thread guide and circle it around the winder tension disc. Now, fix the thread to the bobbin, place it on the spindle, and push it to the right. Finally, push on the foot control pedal. When the bobbin winder spindle is in the winding position, the machine will not sew. To begin sewing, push the bobbin winder spindle to the left. Before starting, turn off the machine. Always do this before inserting or removing the bobbin. First, remove the extension table. Open the hinged cover, pull the bobbin case tab, and remove the bobbin case. Now, hold the bobbin case with one hand and insert the bobbin with the other. The thread should run in a clockwise direction. Finally, hold the bobbin case by the hinged latch and insert it into the shuttle. For safety, it is strongly recommended to turn off the power before threading. First, place the spool of thread on the holder and lock it with the spool holder. Then, draw thread through the upper thread guide and through the pretension spring. Lead the thread down the right channel and up the left channel. Pass the thread from right to left through the slotted eye and then downwards again. Now, pass the thread behind the thin wire needle clamp guide and thread the needle. The needle should be threaded from front to back. Hold the upper thread with the left hand. Turn the hand wheel towards you, which will raise the needle. Gently pull on the upper thread to bring the bobbin thread up through the needle plate hole. Now you can reinstall the removable extension table. To make sure that you've threaded your sewing machine correctly, put a piece of cloth on the needle plate. Lower the presser foot and begin sewing. As you have seen in this video, to prepare a sewing machine for sewing, you need to complete 5 steps. All you need to do now is practice your skills and be careful. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Good luck!